Hello Lone Wolf fans, it's me again with another unboxing video for you. This is an item that I actually won on a site called Listia, which is where you can bid on items such as video games, books, movies, trading cards, music CDs, whatever you want. And this one happens to be something near and dear to me. So, let's see what's inside, shall we? I'm trying to cut this so that it doesn't get into the item, because the item is something that I've been wanting for years, since it was first issued. There we go. And it was issued back in April of 2012. Let's see what it is, shall we? Oh, wow! That's not what I want. Here it is. This is what I got. This issue commemorates the 100-year anniversary of the sinking of the Titanic. And it's not in the best of shape, because you can see here, it's got some folds here. What's really cool about it is that it's got a really nice poster. Well, it's got a double-sided poster. One of the wreck site of the Titanic, and one of the timeline. And this is the main reason why I got this issue, is because of the Titanic. As you know, I am a huge Titanic nerd, or should I say a Titanic enthusiast. But there are other things in here, such as, let me see. Oh, isn't that nice? The guy that I got this from actually bookmarked the Titanic story. There's some nice photos of the wreck. Other stories in this is masks that make magic, talking about masks in African masks. Let's see here. Flocking flamingos. And, well, that's it. And other stuff. And that ends this unboxing. So, have a nice day. And thanks for watching.